And I have to tell you, I'm so proud of her. She walked into my classroom in August, not speaking a word of English, and she is just blossomed. I am so proud of her. She comes in every day prepared. She is always watching me, ready to learn. She's raising her hand. She's sitting on the rug perfectly. She does all her homework and extra. She's reading. She knows her numbers. And when she goes to Miss Muniza's class for ELD, she's one of her model students in there. So I'm very, very proud of her. Congratulations. And
Good morning, buenos dias. Room 4's student of the month is April Garcia. I chose April because not only is she a great helper in her class, but she just is an overall attentive student. Whenever I need some help, she's right there helping me out. She does extra homework, she's reading, and if she doesn't know, she's starting to look at the